Shanti Pereira, this is for you.
Go, Kayla, faster!
I'm trying my best!
Hey, don't run.
We've been jogging this long time.
Okay, sure.
Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of
Our Interns Try!
Changi Duathlon edition.
Alright, so what sports do you guys actually do?
I don't really like exercise, but I run after the bus lah.
After the bus.
Right, but most importantly guys, do you know what sport we're doing today? Let's find out.
4 members will be split into 2 teams and start the race at Terminal 3 check-in row 1. Throughout the race, they will have to stop at photo spots to take team pictures together. If they fail to find a photo spot, 1 minute will be added to their final time. Once they have reached GoCycling at Hub and Spoke, they will hop onto a tandem bike and make their way to the finishing line at East Coast Park.
With that out of the way, let's go to the starting point.
I'm so ready for this race.
Are you ready to lose? Okay, just to let you know, my 2.45 minutes.
Wow, my 2.4, 4 minutes 55 seconds.
55 seconds.
Trust. You will see later during the race.
Okay, before we begin, do you guys know that breakdancing is making its debut at the 2024 Paris Olympics?
Serious?
Serious?
Breakdancing.
Serious?
So in the same spirit, the team that can show us the best dance move will get a head start. Your time starts
1
now.
minute. Oh, that's fast move.
Y'all go that side.
Hey, relax. Hey, haven't started yet.
I don't know, I'm not a dancer, man. How about I just follow what you do? How about you dance and I intro you?
You just kick and then look back. Yeah. Okay.
How about I don't know how to do you do then I just copy. Well, you do first, then I see you then I try. Okay. Producer, we start first, producer.
Okay, that's all I know.
Can we start first?
Okay. We will attempt this. You 这样子.
My arm don't twist this way.
This is supposed to be a 10-second do. This is not. Yeah.
Oh my
Is
goodness.
this an open class? Hey, how to? Wow, actually not bad, crazy.
I also can. Somebody hold my leg.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, go.
Okay. Best dancer in Singapore.
3, 2, 1, go. 是 supernova. 这个叫我的哇哦哎，这是这个的哇哦哎，这个的哇哦哎。
Wow! Wonderful.
So cute.
Okay, and the winner is Andre and Giselle.
Good game. So what did we win actually?
You'll win a 10-second head start for the race.
10 seconds, not bad. We'll take it.
Thank you.
Thank you. Go. Alright, so we have to go find Daisy, right?
Yeah.
I think I know where Daisy is.
Okay.
Ready?
1, start.
Okay.
We actually walk. Yeah.
We agreed to walk.
Actually, no. See the strategy, right? Slow and steady. Use the race motto and put here. Okay.
Oh my god, okay. I think here.
Okay. Oh my goodness.
Okay.
Okay, can.
Okay, so we see our
Okay.
first
Yeah, the first one. First
the
photo spot.
Daisy. It's right there.
Okay. Ready? 1, 2. Okay, let's go.
Do you get it? Do you even get it?
Daisy inside.
Okay, let's go.
Go.
Damn it, I wanted to take the sky tree.
Yeah, right, but it's okay. The aircon can be left for another day. For now, let's win the race.
We overtake them.
We took our 10 seconds
Yeah,
like.
we took our seconds too lightly, but it's okay. It's okay.
Oh, stop tiring. Oh, yeah. No, safety is most important. Maybe you can overtake us.
Because we are drinking water.
Oh.
Let's aim to take the nicer photos since I bet they didn't even focus on taking, the photos.
Yeah,
so
sure.
we're
We care more about aesthetics,
we
alright?
care more about quality.
Yes, I agree.
Yes, thank you.
Alright.
Wait, let's stand in the photo, Ah! Okay.
Wait, how did we reach? Okay, let's go, let's go.
Let's go.
Woo.
Hi.
Yeah.
Yeah. The 10 seconds was very good.
Okay, we're here, we're here.
Is this the dinosaur that
Oh
we...
lol. Wow, this is huge. It's not this one, it's not this one.
It's this one. It's this one. The yellow one.
Huh?
It's this one.
Oh. You just cycled past it. Hey, where's our phone?
Haha, overtake!
Oh, bye-bye.
Lo, 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 lo.
Okay, okay, okay. We got it, okay. Alright. Woohoo! Oh.
We have just begun at
Okay,
Jurassic Mile.
when we find a spot, we'll overtake them on the right.
Yes, that is true. I can see them right in front of us. Actually, do you see them? Bye, team.
Bye, guys.
Alright, guys, we done it.
Yay.
We have overtaken the enemy.
Yeah.
Our opponent. Sorry.
Oh, no enemies here.
Yeah.
Faster, faster, faster. Put your hand in there. Bye. Okay, so guys, this is the end of Jurassic Mile and the start of Changi Coastal Park Connected Extension. It's a plane and everything.
I think we can. I think we have a pretty good chance.
I think so, because I don't even see them behind us. But we can't say too soon. Later we look like fools.
Yeah, they might be way ahead of us and we have no idea actually. So we shall see.
Ready.
No.
Wait, I actually can drive. Okay.
Oh my goodness, we are so close to the finishing line! We are so close to the finishing line! Oh my goodness! I can see them! Oh my goodness!
Oh my god.
We're so close! No! We're so close to win!
Wait.
Oh no! I'm
We just carry on, right?
Dinosaur wrong, eh?
Wrong? What color your dinosaur? What color? Oh wait, it's not the,
so you are
it's not the orange one?
This one the same one.
No, wait! I think I was the nicer T-Rex though. I can't.
Yeah,
I can't
T-Rex
lie.
was nice.
But we also took that one also.
Ah,
we also took
yeah.
that one.
Hold on.
But the final winner is Andre and Giselle.
Wow, serious? So cute!
Thank you.
Oh my goodness.
Then
Be friends, right?
Okay lah.
Ah.
Wow, so nice. Everyone's so Oh, thank you. Wow, she got
It's okay, we'll win.
Because I was like bite lah. I don't know.
So actually I've never like cycled this route before, so I found it super scenic and really nice to cycle. I will actually do it again with my friends if I can.
And honestly, there's so much things along the way, including like hub and spoke, there's like shower facilities, things like that. There's so much cool stuff, F&B along the way, so many nice views. So yeah, overall, amazing experience. Right?
We have now come to the end of this episode of our Interns Try Changi Duathlon.
Remember to like, share and subscribe and comment down below what you want to see next on our Interns Try.
Bye bye!
See you around Changi!